Alright everybody, we are here with the first video of what's going to be an all new type of channel. We're going to start relating all to the RC world. Really excited to get into it, and who to do it better with than the fine folks at Team Associated. Big shout out to Nick Wallet. He really helped me out, get me involved again in the scene. I used to really be a big fan and big racer back when I was younger in the RC world, but obviously as we know, we grow a little bit older, had to go to college, things changed a little bit, we wrestled, but we are back and it's time to get serious. So we're gonna go ahead, we are gonna unbox this all new Pro 2 DK10SW short wheelbase 1/10 scale, and she's ready to run, ready to rip. So let's get her unboxed and check it out. See a little knife here, and ooh, always nice to crack open a fresh seal. Fresh seal is the deal. So we're here. We're gonna unbox this thing. I haven't seen it yet. You're seeing it for the first time, as I am. So take the box off. Ooh. All right. And she is pretty. As you can see, that baby is crispy clean, nice and fresh, nice and new. Take the old wrap right off there right away. Something always, you know, I don't know, something satisfying about taking packaging off. And it looks like we got a couple more seals, so 2 seconds, we'll be right back. We'll have this out of the package. So it comes with a nice radio. Initial first impressions, actually, it's pretty nice. It's got like a cool little carbon fiber look to it. I'm guessing this is one of the more standard radios that you can get from Team Associated in general, but it feels pretty good. I guess you just put in, looks like 4 AA's right into the bottom, and you'll be ready to go. Nice and simple. And she's out. Move this box real quick. Sure, it'll be something for the cats to play with later on. If anybody else out there has cats, drop a comment below. Let me know what they like to play with most from the RC stuff, so I can give my cat some fun things to play with. We'll go ahead, we'll take the body off. Like I said, this is the Dakar, I guess, version DK. Maybe that's what that stands for. So pretty cool. Like I said, I'm a big fan of the colors, red and white. It is bright. And it's well done. As I say, everything's trimmed up nice. All the lines are clean. Well done. I'd say it's overall pretty impressive. It's been a while since I've been a part of the hobby again, like I said, and when I last left, my last ready to run was an RC10 T3. So I mean, you guys can tell it's been a long time. So seeing all this stuff now, it's really impressive to somebody that's been out of the hobby for a little while. So I need everybody out there to help me learn too. So, but we're coming back. Like I said, I plan on really getting back into it. We're getting a buggy next week, and we're gonna really start getting more serious about the whole racing aspect as well as the bashing. You know, keeping it fun. And either way, we're gonna bring you guys awesome content all the time. So, back to the car, back to the all new setup from Team Associated here. With the DK10 short wheelbase style. They did send me another one as well. We'll show you guys that one here in a second. It's more of a trophy truck style. Really awesome, but right off the rip, looks really durable. Everything is clean, well done. Everything's put together solid. Again, like I said, I mean, it has been a long time since I've been a part of the hobby, so seeing all this stuff now compared to years ago, this is impressive. The tires, everything from the shocks, all of it. So it looks good. I'm excited to get it out there and actually give you guys more of a overall true impression of what you got. But they did also send me, well, say hi to the kitten here. Like I said, it wouldn't be long before she would make an appearance. Reedy went ahead and hooked it up with the Wolfpack LiPo here, so huge thank you for that, as well as a 324S little compact charger for the battery. So it'll be nice, keep me going, especially coming up. I think I plan on taking one of these to Loretta Lynn's the old motocross race, see how she does out on the track, have some fun around there, and again, cook up some of that good content. So, right, so now you got to decide between the red sled or the green beast. I'm not sure which one I like more. You know, they both have kind of a unique look. Like I said, the Dakar version, the DK, I think is like a little bit more of that, like, you know, buggy look. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know which one you guys like more, which one you guys want to see more of. I don't know. Like I said, it's a toss-up for me. Green, red, both of them are sick. Based on obviously the same chassis design, so they're going to handle and perform, I feel like, very similarly, but look very different. So tune also at Mike Visor Photo on Instagram. I don't know if you guys are into the moto scene, but we're going to try and mix it up, bring you a little bit of that moto flavor into the RC world, and make it spicy. So thank you again to everybody who's a part of my program. Team Associated #1. Thank you guys again. Also the fine folks at Z-Max hooking me up always with all the finest silicone spray, degreasers, lubes, speed waxes, brake and parts cleaner. Need to go ahead and give them a give them a look and check those boys out, especially for the RC world. I really think that they have pretty much everything you guys need. So we'll be back with some bashing.